Winning in Solitaire Cash is mostly about speed, not just finishing the deck. Players who clear faster usually beat players who make safer moves. By the end of this, you'll know the real strategies that improve your win rate and help you score higher in Solitaire Cash. Here's the direct answer. Prioritize uncovering hidden cards, build long streaks, and think 2 moves ahead instead of 1. That's how strong players win. Start with hidden cards. Face-down cards are your biggest priority. Every hidden card limits your options. The faster you flip them, the more moves you unlock. That gives you flexibility. A lot of players focus on clearing visible stacks first. That slows them down. If one move reveals a hidden card and another just shifts cards around, reveal the hidden card. That's usually the better play. Next, protect your streak. Solitaire Cash rewards consecutive moves. A long combo builds points faster than random clears. That means speed matters, but smooth speed matters more. Don't break your chain unless it opens something valuable. If you can keep a sequence alive, keep it alive. That's free scoring. Now, think ahead. Before moving a card, check what it unlocks. A quick move might feel good, but a smarter move can open 2 or 3 new plays. That creates momentum. Momentum wins timed games. This matters most with kings. Empty columns are powerful. A lot of players fill them too fast. Wait if possible. Holding that empty spot gives you flexibility for better stack management. That can save your run. Use the deck carefully too. Cycling through cards too fast is a mistake. Every deck flip changes your options. Look at the board first. Make every visible move before pulling from the deck. That keeps control. And watch the timer. Solitaire Cash is timed. If you're near the end, speed matters more than perfection. A smaller, fast finish beats a perfect, unfinished board. That's how close games are won. One mistake to avoid is overcommitting to one stack. If another pile opens more hidden cards, switch, focus. The board changes fast. Adapt, fast. Quick recap. Reveal hidden cards first. Keep your streak alive. Think ahead before every move. Use empty columns wisely. Don't rush the deck. Practical next step. Play your next 3 games focusing only on revealing hidden cards faster and tracking your streak length. If this helped you play smarter, hit like and subscribe for more real money game strategies.